Hey there, want to give a family member a card on your account? Adding an authorized user on your Chase card is simple and can help them build credit, but know the rules. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to add them. Log into your Chase online account, select your credit card, and go to Account Services. Find Add an authorized user and enter their full name, date of birth, and address. You can also set a credit limit for them during this process. Chase will mail a card in their name to your address. You are fully responsible for all charges they make. My crucial pro tip: understand the impact on their credit. As an authorized user, this account will typically appear on their credit report. This can help them build credit history, but if you miss payments, it can hurt their score too. It's a tool best used with clear communication. That's how you share your credit line responsibly. Have you added an authorized user before? What was your reason? For a spouse, a child, or something else? Tell me below. For more guides on managing shared finances, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.